This is called Mickey TV. Strongman Benner has dropped a new one. This one, he features Ice Prince and A Classic. So this is Ghana, Nigeria collabo. The song is titled With a Move and is part of his EP titled The Tape. I'm going to take my time to decode it to your understanding. This is pure hip hop. I do it clean and I do it fast. They dropped this song few hours ago. They just dropped it, but then I'm here to do justice to the decodings. A lot of punchlines in the song. Ghana, let's get into it. With a move. What's here now? Now the animation on point. The beat on point. It is a pure hip hop banger. This is rap lessons.
Looking tiny but too big to handle. Wrap your question, I will be your preamble.
The first one, so preamble. Looking tiny but he's too big to handle. So this strongman guy, when we're tiny but in Kaseni, he's too big to handle. Or chosen it tell you more than papa. And if rap is a question, he's a preamble. Because a preamble, yeah, always science and mass quiz. No, I mean, my preamble, no, my answers. No, with my catch, say, I am white. Messiah tick. Na me ye juma ewo mamu. Who am I? It's a preamble.
I got the game on my hand like the Bangles. Rap lion, I'm surviving in the jungle.
Hey, I get the game on my hand like a bangles. The bangles near Triansa. The Nina animation or Chiro or the Mamma.
Wrap your question, I will be your preamble. I got the game on my hand like the
To once a bangle and a bonnet.
Bangles. Rap lion, I'm surviving in the jungle.
To once was a rap lion survive what jungle and what poo a chirona. Oh, lion. This is what we call rap lessons. Pure punching. What tone what you share, what took what you share. I do it early and I do it clean. Then some far back in the tail lines in beam.
Looking tiny but too big to handle. Wrap your question, I will be your preamble. I got the game on my hand like the Bangles. Rap lion, I'm surviving in the jungle.
Surviving in the jungle. He's called Strongman Benner.
I'm the key, what leader, me pe peace. I'm a rapper, me repeats. Bunny beef, I know defeat,
Also a rapper I won't repeat you. A bunny beef so I know defeat. Me say Obi, one of the guys should challenge this guy. Back when challenging black or money or mom camera domo sako de crab and say he's ready. A bunny beef no defeat medical OJ.
So much is gone, yeah, me feast, OG, but I'm looking like that lady in a cool. I go deal with the fools. Makuma, you ever pure, that be you cool.
Was saying Nakoma, you ever pure, that way you cool. To hear a deal, I won't say ever pure, in Sunni be or Mono or Ghana, and you're cool, so hot. To the way or even pure water and crash him. Ever pure, you cool, Nakoma the movie. He's the Benner Ben Bello.
Crown my one time goes to stay by your cool. Rap when you feel right, we hear the damn too.
Was a crown my costume, Koye de Bebria, or in a castle, because assassination there, or the now of crown my name here, Juma. The crown my talk costume goes to where I'm the same for things with you. Rap, no, so he is the king, only a few run or you loser, and I saw Tabe Hajin, what two. To a choice in the rap game, any time he wants to cement his dominance. Let's pick those lines again.
Me feast, OG, but I'm looking like that lady in a cool. I go deal with the fools. Makuma, you ever pure, that be your cool. Crown my one time goes to stay by your cool. Rap when you feel right, we hear the damn too.
Oh, yeah, there were two. To hear animation now, be behind on point. I do it early and I do it clean. Makasadi and oh, yeah. Nebi no more jina so I nema. Hey, and yet the deal, yeah, Hana me metia me ya, no be the deal. A Juma and a betray.
Nama so light to do man, nama so black key, may a craman come up
I say no was so light do man, I was so. But craman so ne so. Take black key or a craman and go up to where they already are shell. I didn't want mouse. I know 1 million and 7 of us what Tom Pia she and 7. Craman so. The black key or a craman and go up. Light so do man was so.
KC kick tia na maso chale jaya huna ne to be me aka
Charlie, we the move, we know the play.
A classic, the chorus, to John, we the move, we know the play.
That's why my blessings every day. On my Charlie, we the move, we know the play. A blessing keeps on coming every day. I say Charlie, we the move, we know the play. That's why my blessings every day. I say Charlie, we the move, we know the play. A blessing keeps on coming every day. Yeah.
This is pure. I'm a pianistic hip hop. Pure hip hop. When you're a piano, when you're Afrobeat near you, they are repping the flag, the hip hop flag very high. The a legend in African raps, a friend Ice Prince, on a necessary from Nigeria. So Prince is going to damage the song as well, Ghana.
Every time I touch down GH, it's like my pH level go over the roof.
You know, Nigerians, they see Ghana as their second home. Was it any time he touches down in GH, the pH level, they go up. pH, a scale, the measure acidity. To a choice or touch it down, it's a level, a costro. I do it clean, and I do it pure and early.
Roof. I puff, then my eye turn red like the devil, then I speak black thoughts from the roof.
Puff, or chini man kakran and then yeah, red, they said the devil. My animation, it me animation,
roof. I puff, then my eye turn red like the devil, then I speak black thoughts from the roof. Big daddy ice chicks know me nice, me no like hype, shaking know me like flights and cool.
What? Oh no, one swag that is not about hype.
I know they chat too much. I know they ever enter your WhatsApp group.
They know they chat too much. I know ever know they enter your WhatsApp group. These are legends in the game. One thing you need to understand about some of these guys now. People like Ice Prince, MI, and Sako, so they say, they have some voice control and they're able to kill the beat very well. And that's a almost selling point. They say, start here, hardcore, edit some punches, bamuno, or mun share them corner that level, but it's part of the game, or when your brand in a way.
Never been a fake one, still with a gang and it's gangs in the day ones. Walked in the club and we bought plenty. Smoke everywhere, nigga, 420. Everything nice with a chop welly, and I sure say you they see him for the pot belly.
Everything nice, they chop well, and he sure say they see him for the pot belly. To one of the way I was a rhyme, still I come on a CSM, so this is what we call raps.
J-Town to Kumasi, strong man and icy, bring that right.
From everywhere to Kumasi, Strong Man and Ice Prince, they've taken over and they are moving.
We know the play. That's why my blessings every day. On my Charlie, we the move, we know the play. A blessing keeps on coming every day. I say Charlie, we the move, we know the play. That's why my blessings every day. I say Charlie, we the move, we know the play.
Yeah.
My blessing keeps on coming every day.
The verse be more, Strong Man be more the second verse. Or born the first verse away. Prince the Nadia Ba, there's was some cement sotie.
Hey, what's a Ghana Nadia Ubenya freedom? Open justice and your high court.
Hey, to anyone they have to on said that one. Freedom and justice. Or say what take Ghana Nadia freedom. Because there's freedom in Ghana, but justice Nadia when you will crony moon. Hey.
Show my relax, I know they see them. Come a speedy and come a high fall. Cardiac Kumasika for pill.
Was saying was speedy and go high forward. My man call back in the tio. Cardiac tea.
Open justice and your high court. Show my relax, I know they see them. Come a speedy and come a high fall. Cardiac Kumasika for pill. And he have 4 days typhoid.
Was a cardiac no. Arrest ne Kumasika for pay. And he have 4 days typhoid.
Esa tiane de nye po, tinye wutirimutum to say cyborg.
Nye wutirimutum to say cyborg. We Mortal Kombat as a killer be no cyborg. I do it early and I do it clean.
O cross me a over cyborg. Me trouble kwai me a cyborg. Me talent na o suffer no hu Sunday ntia o tia mo my god.
The talent na suffer hu no tia mo say my god. And animation ni na a depictive biati.
Tinye wutirimutum to say cyborg. O cross me a over cyborg. Me trouble quiet me a signboard.
Or chiro kwine or a signboard. Signboards in a chiro kwine.
Me talent and I was suffering who is Sunday tia or tia mo my God.
Oh, the suffering at TMO was in my God, no way. Strongman Benner and Kase more than Papa.
You thought you were landing in the UK. Send I could to Kane Airport. Would it is Queen as I would say Bema come Minua Bibiana by force.
So that is slave queen by force or pesca by force or Kase sending on promo cry by force or done at midnight or say promo one promo or no. That they said what tenny or take Bema camp or Kase would to quine. Tiwani only now Kotoka.
I was born to do this, let me show you how to do this. Many years in the game, I don't even have to prove it. Ghana, Niger, hip hop, so we have to groove it. You get bars, but let me show you how to cruise it.
So you get bars, I'm in church, they should cruise ya, you know. So what bars, man, in church, they should share, you know.
We know they play. Can't you my blessings every day? On my jolly with the move. We know they hate. A blessing keeps on coming every day. As they jolly with the move. We know they play. Can't you my blessings every day? As they jolly with the move. We know they hate. My blessing keeps on coming every day.
Very pianistic, palpedic song and the beatistics. When you hard na monche EP man also the tape. So way a strong man, Ice Prince, a classic. My name is Code Mickey. I'm always here to do justice to the recordings. I do it early and I do it clean. You can follow me on YouTube. The name is Code Mickey. Respectfully and humbly, Ghana. I'm a Damase.